The ARC is proud tonight to present 3 clients who are celebrating success. Our Director of Employment Solutions, Lori Pace, introduces the first.
We have one lady that wanted to work in a hospital setting, really wasn't sure what she wanted to do, and there wasn't really a position that was available, but Cox South had a position in their central supply for a volunteer. So we had a job coach go with this young lady to her volunteer site and help her with learning the job.
The ARC kind of helped me. I was volunteering here, then I put my foot in the door and stuff. That's how I kind of got the job. Working in SPB for 6 years now, and stuff. This is what I kind of clean all the time. Once in a while, different stuff comes down. I clean it and stuff. My job coach, she was a nice lady. Karen kind of helped me like get out of my box. I like to listen to Latin music, and then I like to listen to country music, and then I listen to a little bit of pop rock and stuff. I have a pet cat and stuff, and her name is Callie. I got a house like in 2008.
Brian Klein also is celebrating success. Before joining the renovations team at the ARC, Brian had a very short list of accomplishments. He's now controlling his behavior, doing well in school, working, and living in an apartment.
It's a lot different because here you can go to college and work on your own floor crew. I sweep, buff, mop, and sometimes we strip and wax floors. I'm a student at OTC and I'm wanting to open my own animal shelter. I learn a lot and I like the teachers and the atmosphere. I study at the computer lab at OTC. While I'm learning everything, like the PowerPoint and stuff, how you can do different sound and video with it. I like to fish, go fishing. I like to go to different animal shelters and look around. I like being able to do my own cooking and stuff. I like being outside because they help me be more independent.
Kim Bailey is a lady of few words, but she is succeeding in becoming more and more independent, including traveling by herself to visit her brother Jeff in Dallas.
That's me.
Kim came into the ARC family following the death of her mother. Kim has become more and more independent. She's moved into a home of her own. She's been taking lifetime of learning classes, learning how to prepare her food and care for herself in her home. She joined the Sporting Chance track team.
Track meet and have medals in an Olympic game.
Kim indeed is active, and in fact, one of her favorite pastimes is exercising to Richard Simmons. Kim is spunky, but she's also polite.
Yes, ma'am.
She was thrilled about the idea last year of flying by herself to see her brother in his new home with a pool in Dallas. She'll make that return trip this December. The ARC is pleased to celebrate the successes of all of our clients. Congratulations to our 3 awardees tonight and to all of our clients and staff who make it possible.